Well, we told you about the prescription drug abuse problem across the Wabash Valley last night. The state of Indiana has new restrictions on prescribing practices, which are helping. But now with those new restrictions in place, patients are turning to illegal means to get their high. Take a look. Wabash Valley patients are now hitting the streets to get their prescription medications. Since doctors have decreased the number of drugs they're passing out, patients are switching to heroin.
But it's just the extremely addictive nature of these medicines and these substances that make people go through terrible withdrawal, nausea, vomiting, terrible pain, and they will seek out whether drugs on the street or come to an emergency department for treatment.
Aside from being highly addictive and a high risk for overdose deaths, there's a number of other issues to worry about with heroin abuse.
A high rate of hepatitis C with needle use, and unfortunately HIV is on the rise as well due to this. It's respiratory depression. That's the primary cause of death with opioids, as it decreases the brain's drive to take another breath. So sadly we see people develop brain failure and brain death secondary to respiratory failure.
And unfortunately, it also has one of the highest rates of relapse, but it's not incurable.
The New England Journal of Medicine study suggests that one of the most effective treatments is a medicine called Suboxone, which people can take in combination with behavioral therapy to help treat them. This medication does not provide a high, but does alleviate the patient of many of those withdrawal symptoms. People are able to return to work, they're able to return to a normal life.
Now, this is what you need to watch out for if you have a loved one who is not breathing deeply or seems not to be breathing at all, or if they seem exceptionally tired all the time. Now, for the first part of this story, you can head to our website. That's WTHI-TV.com.